Rapid Renovator Plus is Autoglym's latest machine polishing compound. This one-stage machine polishing compound removes paintwork imperfections from vehicles, leaving an ultra-glossy finish. It will remove swirls and scratches, renovate dull paintwork, and also remove P1500 flatting marks. As well as removing a wide range of imperfections, Rapid Renovator Plus also leaves surfaces with a high gloss finish, which often requires no further refining. The compound is fast-acting, and this one-stage process often achieves better results than existing multi-stage compounding systems. The fast-acting formulation allows you to renovate vehicles quickly without compromising on finish, relying on fillers or masking agents. The compound allows you to achieve more in a day, reducing the turnaround time on vehicles. Rapid Renovator Plus has little to no fling, keeping you, the vehicle, and your work area clean. Starting with a clean, dry vehicle, remove any contaminants with tar and adhesive remover, a clay bar or liquid clay, then mask any delicate areas with tape. Shake the bottle well, then using a medium foam pad, apply 3 dots of Rapid Renovator Plus, each about the size of a pea, directly to the pad. More product will be required for a fresh pad. Working on a section at a time, apply the pad to the top of the panel, then start the machine at a low speed. Pass over the area in a horizontal motion, gradually increasing the speed to 15 to 1800 RPM. Add more product as needed, and continue until the desired result is achieved. If required, any remaining fine marks or imperfections can be further refined using Rapid Renovator Plus and a soft foam pad. The secret to Rapid Renovator Plus's success is in the selection of the abrasives used to form the product. The Autoglym research and development team trialled over 200 formulations and 40 different abrasives until the perfect blend of speed, abrasion, viscosity, working time and gloss was achieved. It contains no silicone or silica, so is suitable to use in body shops and other silicon-sensitive environments. Rapid Renovator Plus, a fast-acting, single-stage compound from Autoglym.